This is day 196, and today we are looking at printing error values. So what is common in an Excel document is that sometimes when you do your calculations, there will always be error values. So the types of errors differs from error to error. So for example, in my worksheet here, I have div error, meaning that I've divided something with 0. You can have different kinds of errors, and you can handle them differently, but sometimes you don't handle them within your calculation. So for example, there are formulas like if error which can handle errors, but let's suppose you don't know those formulas, or you don't want to use those formulas, as there can be a various number of errors. So what you could do is during printing you can decide to handle them. So for example, if I say Control P now, you can see that my document is showing errors in the printout version. So what I can do is I can handle the errors at this point. So if I go to print setup, page setup, and go to sheet, I can choose what I want to do with my errors. I can say that I want my error values to be blank. So if I do that, take note here, all my error values have disappeared. Or I can choose a different way to display my errors. For example, I can say all the errors should display as NA or should have these double dashes here, and it shows that these are error values here, because sometimes it becomes a clutter if you just show your error values in the final printout version, especially like for example you are doing an income statement and you are dividing prior year with current year, and on a line to line basis some of the things might not have the prior year value, and it all becomes div 0. So it becomes a bit of a busy worksheet or a busy printout if you keep showing your error values. So if you want to print it out, you can just say I don't want to show my error values, and you just put blank here and you say okay, and you can print it out. I hope you have learned something today. Thank you. Bye bye.